So you are interested in Cuisinart PRC-12. No doubt it is a wise choice, and it is one of the top 5 electric coffee percolators on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 electric coffee percolators, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Cuisinart PRC-12. The Cuisinart PRC-12 is a great value electric coffee percolator that doesn't compromise on quality, even a little. Cuisinart brings its coffee-making expertise to the 12-cup model of its classic stainless steel percolator. Piping hot water percolates through the grounds and pulses up into the knob on top to create the familiar perk-perk sound that coffee lovers wait to hear. A detachable cord and stay cool bottom let this percolator go anywhere to serve, and it only needs to be plugged in to keep it hot. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.